Assalamu alaikum students of class 7th. Hope you all will be fine. Here we will continue from the unit number 2, page number 12, denotation. Now we will study the types of the weathering. The first one is physical weathering. What is physical weathering? Physical weathering involves the physical or mechanical breakdown of rock without a change in its chemical composition. Means to say, if because of the elements of the weather like temperature, precipitation or humidity, if rocks will change their shape, only their physical state will change. That is physical weathering. There will no change in its chemical composition. Let's have an example. This is the ballpoint. If because of the elements of the weather it will break apart into two pieces, it will remain the same, a plastic ballpoint, but its shape will be changed. So that is the physical weathering. There will be no change in its chemical composition. Processes involved in the physical weathering are frost action, pressure release, thermal pressure, haloclosity and abrasion. The first one is frost action. This phenomena takes place when water freezes in the cracks of the rock. Frozen water expands and thus exerts pressure on the rock. It weakens the rock and breaks it apart. This is also called freeze-thaw action. Suppose this is the cracks in the rocks. When water freezes in the cracks of the rocks, it expands. Means it will take the more space than before. It expands in this direction, here and here. It expands and thus exerts the pressure on the rock. It will exert the pressure in this direction and this direction. It weakens the rock and breaks it apart. This is also called freeze-thaw action. The next one is pressure release. In the pressure release, the rocks deep down the earth are exposed and get released from the pressure due to removal of rocks above them. Under the earth, there are rocks after rocks. They are talking about these rocks. The rocks deep down the earth are exposed. Exposed means make something visible by uncovering. They will the rocks are the rocks deep down the earth are exposed. They will exposed and get released from the pressure. Because of these rocks, they have the pressure above them. They will get released from the pressure due to the removal of these rocks. As a result, cracks appear in the rocks parallel to land. Parallel to land means in this direction. Parallel to land, they will have the cracks in that. This process is also called exfoliation. Because of the cracks, it's also the